Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crocheted long maxis designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel. First and also make sure to follow, be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it. So you guys can see different designs in it, different colors are being shown to you which you have never seen before. You will find all kinds of designs related to crochet on my channel. Support my channel as much as you can. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you on all kinds of crochet related designs. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. Video is very helpful and useful for you guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. We'll remember in prayer, and bye.